I'm Hester, this is Kiki, and you're watching Handmade Home. And today I would love to show you how you can use your baby to make Christmas cards. If you want to make handmade Christmas cards or gift tags and you want to get your baby involved, have a look at this tutorial. Is it exciting? Is that? On slightly thicker than normal white paper, trace your bird template. You can find this template on my website. I'll put a link to this in the description. Trace all around the bird and cut it out. If you make a template from cardboard, it will last you a long time. With all your birds cut out, it's time to start painting. I'm using small pots of any Sloan chalk paint in Henrietta, Scandinavian Pink, English Mustard and Barcelona. And put your birds in a Ziploc bag. I'm doing 2 birds at a time. Make sure the Ziploc bag is nice and tightly secured and give it to your painting assistant. And let your baby do its magic. Once the paint is dry, have a look which side of the bird looks best, because you need to have some birds that face left and birds that face right. Then you add some detail. I'm drawing an eye, adding some detail around the belly. I'm giving the bird a wing and adding a little bit of detail on its tail as well. Let me fast forward this for you. With some orange yarn, we're gonna make its legs. Cut up a piece of roughly 10 centimeters. And make a knot in both ends. Then stick the little leggies to the inside of one of the birds with masking tape. For the birds you're going to use as a gift tag or Christmas tree ornament, also make a little loop. Just cut another piece of yarn roughly 10 centimeters and also stick this to the inside of the bird. You can apply lots of glue, make sure you do all the edges. And stick another bird on top of it. And that's your hanger finished. For the card you only need 1 little bird. Give it some legs, apply the glue and stick it to an empty card. Here I'm using a grey, but it also looks really nice on brown or even black. And there you have it. Baby made Christmas cards and little gift tags or Christmas tree ornaments. I think my family and friends would definitely appreciate a handmade Kiki card this Christmas. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and have a look at my other videos here on the Handmade Home channel. Or have a look on my website hestershandmadehome.com for more craft and DIY ideas for your home. I'll be back in the new year with new videos. Hope to see you then and a very, very, very Merry Christmas. So Merry Christmas and Happy New Year!